When facilitating with somebody else, there's a couple of things you should definitely do, and there's a couple of things you should definitely not do to make sure that your session is a success. I'm going to take you through a couple of scenarios, and let's see whether you pick up on what some of the no-nos are. Hi everybody, my name is Yuri, and this is
Andy.
Hi there, my name is Yuri and this is Andy, who I flew in all the way from London. Andy and I have been working together for over a decade and we have facilitated many projects. We're like a dream team together. We're this beautiful amalgamation of genius magic. When facilitating with somebody else, there's a couple of things you should definitely do and there's a couple of things you should definitely not do to make sure that your session is a success. I'm going to take you through a couple of scenarios and let's see whether you pick up on what some of the no-nos are. Right, well, good morning. My name is Yuri. I'll be one of the facilitators here today in this creative session. So let's just get started. Welcome, everybody. Andy.
Thank you, Yuri. Hi, everyone. My name's Andy. You'll recognise me from the 1001 ones to watch list. I've a PhD in really clever thinking, an additional master's in superb thinking. My first boss, he spotted talent right from the start.
Okay, so let me...
One more thing. I think it was Bruce Springsteen who told me on my first book.
So great. Well, thank you, Andy, for that nice, crisp introduction. Let's just get started. So clearly, Andy was talking way too much about himself. And as a pair of facilitators, you get credibility from what you do and not from what you say. Excellent. So we just had a meeting this morning with some of the clients, and some of the feedback that we got back was this.
No, I'll do this. I'll do it. Yeah, sure. Yeah, okay, I'll do that now.
Seriously, turn your phone off. Even if it's on silent, it will distract you from working together with your partner and will distract you from what's going on with the other people. Right, well, thank you for a great morning. Let's take a little 10-minute break for you guys to...
5 minute break, 5 minute break.
10 minutes?
Fine. Guys, 5 minutes. Fine, that's all we need. 5 minutes, come back. Yeah, 23 minutes past, fine. Honestly, it's 5. It's 5 minutes, it's fine, it's cool.
So Andy and I were disagreeing on something. If you work together, be a unit, be aligned, and have one voice. Okay, on your tables, you'll find big pieces of paper, and we've given you 20 different trends. I want you to go through the trends, and I want you to rank them from, and we want you to rank them from super, just talk about it with the team. Talk about it with the team, and then Andy was clearly bored and fidgety, because maybe he's heard the contents a million times. Maybe you've been doing this for a long time, but what we sometimes forget is that for the people in the room, this might be the first time they're hearing it. So if you want them actively engaged, you have to be actively engaged in the content that you're delivering. Everybody okay doing this?
Ooh, let's have a look, mate. No, you. Yeah. Yeah. You have a bit. I've seen better. Coffee. I'll sort this lot out. Right. Bring it here, asshole.
Andy was being very condescending to the team and was also being very condescending to me. So when you work together, love each other and love the people in the room.
I think it was this very important point that I wanted to make, followed by that very important point that I wanted to make, followed by another important point that I wanted to make. And that's why I'm very important.
Andy was blocking me, which is always a bad idea. Don't block people. But also, now people in the room can't see me and I can't see them. So leave each other enough personal space so you can always stay connected with what's going on in the room. All right, well, that's it. Thank you so much for your energy. It was a great workshop. I think we achieved a lot. I think you can be very proud of yourself. Give yourself a big hand.
Yeah, well done. Well, guys, you've been great, but I just want to pay particular credit to you, Sarah, and just want to say goodbye by sharing a song I've written for you, if that's okay. Yeah, so Sarah.
So those were some scenarios of things you should absolutely never do.
Yeah, all of that. I know there was a bit of fun and theatre, but they have all happened to both you and myself.
Yes.
And the key thing is, when you're working together, be seen to have fun, and it's okay to have different points of view and experience, but you're about these guys, it's not about you.
Well, and clearly it's not about him either, because it's all about me. This is my channel, these are my videos, and I can do whatever I want. See? My video.
Yes.